How to update an iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. From here, you can manage your overall setup and preferences for iPhone, such as software updates, device language, CarPlay, AirDrop, and more. Then, go to Software Update. You can view the available software downloads over here. Tap on Update now if you want to update the software. Or, tap on Update Tonight below if you want to update the software later. You can also go to Automatic Updates at the top. As you can see, Automatic Updates is currently turned off. You can turn on the iOS Updates feature if you want to automatically install iOS software updates. Following these steps, you can easily update an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.